balance multiple streams of income whilst working your 9 to 5. It's actually easier than you think. I'll be answering the top questions that I got from my Instagram poll on how you can balance your life as you have your full-time job and you're generating multiple streams of income. Keep watching, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Well, you've started. You started the journey of abundance, of wealth, right? You started this multiple streams of income. It has gotten hard, right? We all get through this, okay? We all get through this. I've been there. I understand. I know what you guys are going through. And I'm going to give you guys my simple tips of how I was able to work my 9 to 5, but also have other streams of income that I was working on. Let's just jump right into today's video. So one question I received was, how do I balance multiple streams of income with a full-time job, right? This is difficult, okay? The reason why you're in a pickle right now is because you still have that 9 to 5. One thing that I always suggest to people is, can you start now kind of taking that full-time job and making it into a part-time position? Has your multiple streams of income come to a point where you don't have to work all those hours of the full-time job? We need to do this analysis. We need to do this analysis of our life, okay, of our finances. Can we start pulling back stuff that is taking too much time or draining so much energy? Now we can start putting it into our real business that will really take over for us, where we don't have to work a constant 9 to 5 all the time and for many years. Okay, this is one thing I always ask people to do. You have to audit your finances. Sometimes we get into a comfortable routine of that. I've always worked this 9 to 5, right? I've always had a steady job. So I'm scared to really step into entrepreneurship. Well, that fear will hold you back from what God actually has for you. That fear will not let you take off to where you need to go for 2025. So in order for us to actually see what God has for us in this year, is we have to start taking the lead. We have to start saying, okay, we have to see that God gave us multiple streams of income for a reason. In order for us to see what we want out of life, we have to start taking the leap of faith. Let your 9 to 5 take over your full time and you become part-time. And let's say it has not, okay? And that's what I'm going to be answering today. Let's say it hasn't taken to that position yet. How can you do it? This is creating systems around. You have to see what really is important. When you get off your 9 to 5, okay, are you having a long drive back to your house? Do you have to cook dinner when you get back? All these things, you have to analyze what you're going to have time to do. Okay, do you have to start meal prepping now when you get back to the house? All you have to do is eat, take a shower, get yourself ready, and now start working on those income streams. Can you start hiring people to do what you needed to do for your income streams? All these comes with ordering your life and your finances of what you can acquire and what you can allow. Okay, and that's my answer when it comes to working alongside your 9 to 5. Okay, another question that I got is, how much time should I dedicate to my side hustle? This I cannot tell you. It has to be something that you analyze yourself, right? What time do you need for your side hustle to become a full-time job for you? Okay, this is the time you want to accolade to it. This is the priorities you need to set. Is it something that you have to work every Saturday, Sunday for, and that you can't really have a weekend for? You have to audit the time you have to give to yourself for your side hustle to become a reality for you. Okay, another question is, how do I stay motivated when working on my business after hours? This is so difficult. To be honest, you have to just tell yourself, what is one thing that motivates me? You have to have your why. This will help you, and this is why I teach to make your purpose into multiple streams of income, and don't just jump into any side hustle to make money, because at the end of the day, you need the why to keep you wanting to keep going. And in order for you to want to keep going, you have to love what you do. So I always teach that your side hustles, your multiple streams of income, should be coming from your purpose, what God gave you to do in this world. And I plan you to just do what God called you to do, and it will never feel like work for you. I promise. Okay? Subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you guys need help creating multiple streams of income for you, or how to generate it, I can help you guys manage your time better, book a free consultation call with me, and it's in the description box, and let's get started on your journey. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel, and see you guys soon. See you.